Malibu's doing good. Show you my headliner repair in a minute. I actually skipped the weekend on starting it. But does just fine. Obviously. Battery seems like it's a lot on the weak side. But I'll show you my little headliner repair. You can't even actually tell in my mirror at all, which is good. So my rear view is pretty clear of it. But it was starting to sag by the rear window, and I'll show you. That's kind of nice. I can't even tell from the mirror side. So, but I'll show you really quick. Yeah, hop on back here. These seat covers are starting to sun fade, as you could tell. But yeah, look, check it out. Can't even tell if it was sagging. You can see it's loose, but it was starting to come down. But these pins do a really nice job. Still a little bit here. I want to add more. I have another pack of these I'm going to add along the whole way just to prevent it from getting worse, and I think that just might help. It's not perfect. It is a lot better than some cars this age as headliner. This one's doing pretty well, I must say. I mean, it's fair condition. Got that there. That's my stupid doing here. And that's a buddy of mine's doing there. I could kill him. And this was another buddy of mine. He had like a Swisher Sweet or some shit. That was within the first year I had the car. Actually, not even within the first 6 months. I was so pissed because I just got this car and I was like, really? But yeah, it's doing pretty good. I like the steering wheel. I mean, yeah, not really looks wise. It's kind of boring, but it's full size. I got my Hyundai Elantra. My Hyundai Elantra's got like a smaller size wheel, and it's like this one's like all full size big, and kind of not used to it now after being in the Elantra for a while. But it's nice to have a full size wheel in front of me.